This is Captain Tinsley, Salty Abandoned. So the haul out didn't work out. Where I was going to haul out is right by the Gulf Shores Airport, and there's a restriction, a height restriction there. I don't want to lose my hat. So they were going to have to take the mast off, and they didn't have anybody qualified, and I wasn't comfortable with it anyway, because they mostly do yacht work and stuff, so not sailboats. I hope you can hear me. I've got my super duper microphone on. So I looked around and I found a place with power. It is the wharf. I'm gonna get there after they close. Hopefully Scott's gonna meet me there. He just had to go buy a new truck. It costs $1 million at the wharf. Not really, but might as well be. Hopefully insurance will cover it. I know that about a year ago, maybe it was this year, maybe it was last year, they started requiring a 40-foot minimum there. So I paid for a month and it was a lot. Whatever, I get to plug in, I get to charge up my batteries, which they're probably getting charged right now really good. I get to turn on the air conditioning, I get to turn on my little dehumidifier that I keep on the boat, and I'm happy. I'm happy for today. There's going to be a diver hopefully coming out tomorrow that I missed out on before. They'll dive if there's no oil in the water. Hopefully at the wharf there's no oil in the water, because I think they did okay. Barber did not, of course, even though they have floating docks as well. And I get to see the bottom of the boat, but the haul out was a no-go. I got on the waiting list at Pensacola Shipyard. I'm number 71. I tried Nelson's. They wouldn't know for a week because they're taking on a bunch of insurance jobs. Anyway, that's it for now. Salty Abandoned, out. I didn't make it to the wharf yet. I've been sitting on anchor here in the channel for about 2 hours, and now I got sea tow. So the engine just lost power. It just was kind of just all of a sudden just started losing power, and then I got it back, and then I didn't have it, and then I did. And, you know, and I had that happen before, and it was, all I did was bleed the fuel lines. I didn't bleed the fuel lines. I unscrewed the top of the secondary filter and let some out, and then started it, and that fixed the problem. But this may be water, from what I can tell, from what Key West John was telling me. Maybe water in the fuel, maybe it came in through the vent, you know, during the storm with all the rocking and rolling. So I had to wait a couple hours because these Sea Tow and Towboat US, I have both. They're so busy. So this guy had to come all the way from Pensacola in big waves, and he's here. So, ooh, I'm almost, I mean, we're gonna be a little while, but I'm just glad we're moving. So we're on the, we're north of the peninsula where Bear Point Marina is, and back here in a more protected area, Arnica Cove. So we're about, let's see, about almost 6 miles to our destination. We're going at a blazing 6.6870 knots, getting pulled by Sea Tow. Be glad just to plug in.
Salty Abandoned's coming into the wharf. Tinsley tried to move it from Walker Avenue to the wharf and had some engine problems. Not sure if it's storm related or not. She's right out there, coming in here at the wharf and going right into this slip right on the end. More soon. Here we come.
If I can, because I'd like the damage to be on this side. Someone to work on it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot. You ready?
I'm ready. It's across his boat. It's right there. The line right there.
So, we're in the slip. The sea tow guy backed me in, and I'm all tied up, plugged in, got the air running, got the dehumidifier going, the batteries are charging. We got a little ways to go, but oh my gosh. Whew. Good night to y'all.